Good morning, Miss Deuce. You go ahead and rest for the day, and I'm going to go work on the Runaway. All right? Bouncy camera. Mondays, we don't have a Captain Deuce, so we're just going to take it easy today. We're going to finish up making this trim. I know it ain't perfect, but whatever. It's just trim. We'll get it knocked out and dialed in, and then we'll start on some fun stuff like painting these boards. Let's see what we can do to make some trim pieces. What do we need? Oh, dropping shit. We need a pencil. I'm up here. Make sure our boards don't fall off. Hey, look. Our bench held. I didn't fall. I didn't fall. Let's see if we can make some trim. Remember about Chauncey? So how is everyone today? Working on the Runaway. It's kind of been my new job every day. Captain Ducey with broken toes, so she can't help. That's just how it goes sometimes. Get her all healed up. Ta-da! Alright, rough draft. Down. Into the garage to cut some wood, sand some wood, that kind of good stuff. So I figured I'd take you guys with me. Come along for the fun. Chopping stuff. Now that we're done that, we can get on the sanding. That's the fun stuff. We're going to paint these things, but we also need to experiment with some paint, so we're going to experiment with these. Alright, for this to make a little bit more sense, this is the base coat. We're going to have a stencil and then a top coat. So we're just waiting on our stencils. Then you guys get to see what we're going to create.
The next day.
Hi, Miss Deuce. I know you're feeling better, but the doctor said you're not allowed to work for a while. So you have to wait a few more days. Bearish cold one today. Get this heat turned on. Making trim, so much fun. Never did this before, so don't know if it's the right way to do it. Don't really care. Making inside pieces, inside track. Oh no, don't drop it. Inside tracks, basically. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, something like that. Can you see? Sandwich them together once. So, now at least it'll look halfway decent when it goes together. Maybe, we'll see. Gotta fix another one over here. Just how it goes. We'll get them all adjusted. And now we gotta do the inside racks for this side. You see, I just kind of placed one. We're gonna have a bunch more. Alright, now we take it apart and paint it all. Yay! Alright, one side down, now to the other side. There's the other side all finished up. One piece I gotta fix, no big deal. How it goes. That'll work. Front windows get some trim and I run out, so off to the supply store we go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.